If you've been looking for the best website to make money online, then I think this video is for you. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 best websites in which you can make money online using your smartphone. Either you are a student or a stay-at-home mom, or even as a worker, if you have work you are doing, you can also make money in this website I'm about to be sharing with you guys. All you have to do is just watch this video to the end, as I'll be sharing with you the various websites in which you can make money from. Hi guys, this is Tim Chiza again, the guy that always bring updates about how to make money online using your smartphone. Yes, if this is your first time watching my video, please do well to subscribe, like and comment, so that anytime I drop a video like this, you won't miss it. You'll be notified ASAP. Yes, please subscribe, that's very important. So now let's dive into business. Let's go into the reason why we are here. Yes, so now I will try to list these websites one after the other, and I'm going to be explaining brief about them. So all you have to do is just to go online and make some researches, search, and so that you can know more about this website that I'm going to be listing to you, and then you can know the more you can take your time and start making money from it. It's just as simple as that. So the first website on my list is called MyPoint. So I'm going to be writing the name of the website here on the screen so that you can get to understand it better. So on MyPoint, it's just a website in which you can do some tasks, various tasks, and can make money doing those tasks. So some of the tasks that I'll be doing on MyPoint to make money is when you shop on the website, you make money. When you take survey, watching videos on the website, and when you refer someone to join the website, you also make money. Reading emails is also another way to make money on the MyPoint website. The most interesting one is even when you play game on the website, you will still stand a chance to make money playing game on the website. So the number 2 website on my list is Sprout Gigs. So Sprout Gigs is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with ease to do whatever task. And while doing this task, you will also earn money doing these tasks. So all you have to do on Sprout Gigs is just to successfully complete survey, offers and micro jobs. The more tasks you do, the more points you earn, and the more points you earn, that is the more money you are going to make doing these tasks. The number 3 website on my list is Swagbucks. So you earn reward on Swagbucks by taking survey, playing games and shopping online. There are other ways in which you can earn money on Swagbucks. So all you have to do is just go into the website and read more about them. So the fourth website that will help you to make money online is called Fiverr. Yes. So Fiverr happens to be one of the most popular ways in which you can make money online. So you can earn money on Fiverr by creating and setting up a Fiverr account to sell your services online. So the last website that I'll be sharing with you is Click a Snap. My God. You see this website, as in I love it so much. I love this website so much. You see this website, like you can earn money, post your pictures on this website. Like wow, posting pictures and you make money. Yes, it's very real and very possible. So all you have to do is just post pictures on this website, and the more people view this picture, that's the more you are going to get money. And there's no limit to the amount you can make on this website. So all of you that like to snap pictures or more, don't miss this opportunity. So all of you that like snapping pictures, like everywhere you go, take pictures, snap pictures, then don't miss this opportunity. Yes, I think you can try this website and see how it goes. You can post any pictures. So if you think this information is helpful, please just do it to subscribe and then like and comment. Comment, thank you. Yes, that's enough. Just comment thank you for the information. And don't forget to subscribe. That's very important. Please subscribe. Thank you so much. Love you all.